Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a 8-bedroom, 7-bathroom house for sale on Holmes Drive, Montego Bay. This 6-unit income earner awaits the savvy investor. The property comprises of two-bedroom units and 4 studio apartments. The property has a commanding sea view and charming landscape that envelopes a pool amongst the foliage. The property is also well-fruited. Another enticing feature is a fully equipped music studio situated at the rear of the premises. This house is being sold fully furnished and is ideal for an Airbnb setting. The land area of this house is approximately 17,033 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 59 million or US $383.3 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.